Hello, good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you all will fine. And now, let's learn the expression of self-introduction. Well, this is your first day of school. You meet new friends and new teachers here. How do you introduce yourself? What do you say to talk yourself? What expression do you use? Let me introduce myself. When you introduce yourself, you will say, "Hello, I am Nicholas. I am from Spain. I'm 30 years old. There are 4 of us in my family." The next, I like watching document film. My favorite band is Backstreet Boys. I have 2 children. I've got a puppy. Or you may say, my hobbies are reading books, playing badminton, and listening to music. I also like watching when I'm free. I'm interested in football. I don't like traveling. Or, I am calm, hardworking, and responsible. I have many international friends. I study English because it is very important and necessary. For more explanation, let's watch the video to show you how to use the expression of self-introduction. Okay, now let's come to self-introduction speech. There are 2 examples here, and your assignment is you do as the example given. For example, for part B, hello, I want to tell you a little about myself. My name is Jason Han, and I'm 14 years old. My birthday is July 16, 1989. I love playing soccer more than anything because I have been playing soccer since I was 4 years old. My mom says that I'm the only boy in my class that started playing soccer so young. Besides soccer, I also enjoy playing with my pet hamster. Hamsters are my favorite animal because they are cute and funny. My best friends are Tim and Anthony. Thank you.